Healthy living at 50 plus, a path to a better quality of life. Find out in our weekly video series what really matters when you're over 50 to stay healthy and fit. We'll show you how you can support your organs, strengthen your immune system, and improve your mood at the same time. Get inspired to improve your well-being on all levels with simple tips and tricks. For many people, a new chapter in life begins at 50 plus. The body changes, and it becomes more and more important to pay attention to your own health and quality of life. But how do you stay healthy and fit when you're over 50? In this video, we show you how you can enjoy life to the fullest by making conscious decisions in your everyday life. A balanced diet is essential to staying healthy at 50 plus. From this age onwards, the body needs fewer calories but more nutrients. Fiber is particularly important as it supports digestion and reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Valuable foods include fresh fruit, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats from nuts and avocados. Processed meat and sugar should only be consumed in moderation. Enjoy healthy vegetables more and more. This colorful vegetable stir-fry is full of vitamins and nutrients that are good for your body and taste incredibly delicious at the same time. With fresh ingredients and healthy fats from olive oil, you can conjure up a meal that is not only good for your health, but also pampers your palate. On our YouTube cooking channel, we show you how easy it is to prepare healthy and delicious dishes. With our step-by-step videos, you can get inspiration and discover new favorite recipes in a relaxed manner. Subscribe to our channel and cook yourself happy, without any stress. Fiber is also particularly important as you get older. It not only promotes digestion, but also helps stabilize blood sugar levels and protect the heart. Sugar and processed foods are often tempting, but they should only be enjoyed in moderation. Instead, reach for healthy snacks such as nuts or fresh fruit, which provide your body with valuable nutrients. A healthy diet is only one part of the whole. Regular exercise is just as important. Even at age 50 plus, exercise remains important to keep the body fit. Daily walks, light strength training, or cycling are great ways to keep the body active. A walk in the park has a relaxing effect and is a wonderful way to bring body and mind into harmony. The fresh air and gentle exercise strengthen the cardiovascular system and improve mood. Even a short walk a day can work wonders and lead to more energy and well-being. Mental health should not be neglected either. If you want to stay healthy at 50 plus, you should regularly challenge your mind. Read a good book, solve puzzles, or take up new, creative hobbies. An active mind contributes significantly to general well-being. The day is coming to an end, and it is the perfect time to relax and enjoy the moment. The sunset reminds us how important it is to stop and be grateful for the little things in life. These moments of relaxation help to let go of the stress of the day and calm the mind. Now is the time to end the day peacefully and look forward to the beautiful moments to come.